Is everyone ready?
I'm ready.
No.
You tell me when you're ready.
This is gonna be insane.
We're ready enough to race.
Yeah, you can't be ready for this. You cannot physically be ready for this. I am.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm almost ready.
Got it.
Who's gonna boost off the start?
Okay, now I'm ready.
Alright.
Everyone's boosting.
What?
Yep. Why did you think I didn't boost?
Let's not do any yellow flags, because that would be so unfun.
How
No
many
yellows.
laps are we doing?
No yellows.
10 minutes, 10 minutes.
Oh.
Oh god.
I
You
just
think these
drifted
things
it in
will
a
clear?
semi truck. That's unusual.
Oh, no, you bitch.
What do you mean? That seems like it. Oh.
That is a tree.
Good job. Guys.
I don't think as I said before, I don't think I need to use boost
Oh
at
god, I
all.
need to slow down. These things are ridiculous. Okay, Jake, it's me versus Jake. I've got the inside.
I'm coming up.
No, what are you doing? No, that is a bad idea.
I'm just already at the tree corner.
Oh, oh,
Oh
oh,
god.
oh.
Me.
Me.
Oh, I
Wait,
think I could
both of
boost
us?
here.
Watch out,
Oh,
Robo.
maybe I
I'm
shouldn't.
coming
Maybe I
through,
shouldn't.
Robo.
Oh, never mind.
Drifting.
Oh, and there he goes.
There goes Robo. I can beat Robo for sure.
Me.
Oh god, no, I flipped.
Oh, 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 oh,
Oh, I didn't get to
oh.
hit Robo. I'm gonna do what's called a pro gamer move.
We're gonna do a Robocut.
Yeah,
Yeah,
more
yeah,
than a
yeah.
Robo.
Wow.
I'm gonna do more.
I'll give you it. Oh my
Did
god!
you guys
Here,
watch
stay there.
this?
Stay there.
Guys,
No,
watch this.
oh my god.
Ah.
I'll give you a ride when I come by next time, okay?
Wait, how did he break your truck?
Uh,
Bro.
Ow. What? I hit the stupid tree again. The same place I did last lap.
Ow.
I'm still ahead of Robo though.
No,
Oh god, I don't
Well,
need to boost right before the hairpin. No.
Well, that's a-
You guys know that the 8th gear is pretty freaking long for this semi truck.
What?
Hey,
The 8th
hey,
gear is
hey.
the longest gear.
Katie, give me a ride. Get a ride.
Give you a ride.
Yeah, Robo
Okay.
fucked up my truck.
Where's Robo?
Weird.
Where's Robo?
Uh-oh.
Thank you. Go, go, go.
Robo, where are you?
I am off-roading.
What the
Oh,
fuck?
fair enough.
Oh, they're coming up behind us.
Oh, they're coming up behind us? Where?
They're not even on the first turn.
Slow down.
Why did I boost here?
I don't know.
Oh god.
You got a break though.
I'm stuck. I'm literally
Is Nar
stuck.
Nar
I'm
stuck?
out of the race.
Alright, two
Robo,
drivers
no,
left.
I'm not stuck anymore.
Okay,
I'm not
we're
stuck
back to
anymore.
3.
Robo just ran into me at full speed.
Did Robo just kill you?
No, I was stuck and he hit me out. So on the first turn, if you look past there,
Hey
there's
guys,
like,
remember I said there's 10
like
minutes to
2
go?
tables.
I didn't even do it.
How many minutes left? 5? Let's say 5. 5
This
minutes
is
sprint race to
5,
the end.
okay.
That sorry, wait, sorry.
That understeer is so bad.
Ah!
Robo! I'm going to make a turn, and I just see Robo on his side cutting through the turn.
I'm fixing to probably lap you guys, maybe, I don't know.
Robo won't never pass me. Oh no, Robo's passing me. How did he pass me? How did Robo pass me there? Oh god, I'm gonna hit the same tree for the third lap in a row.
Oh no!
Oh,
Robo, I hit the same I hit the same tree for the third lap in a row.
oh god, this is horrid.
This was a great idea. I applaud myself for doing this.
It's a
What was that burp,
It's
Robo?
a good idea because I'm fixing to lick you guys. Get that.
I can't
You
even
you
tell
learned
what
your trap voice
said.
from Minnie, didn't you?
no, not at all, actually.
Okay.
I'm on the
And
hay!
now, what the fuck is Nar doing?
I haven't even fought them in quite
I'm
a while.
on the hay!
Okay.
Wait, how do you know where I am?
I looked on the
We
fucking
see on
map.
the map.
I'm dead, so I'm just
No.
riding with Kitty.
I'm just crying now. I'm just here watching the sunrise. Just watching the sunrise at this
And
point.
sunrise, the sunrise.
What a beautiful sight. What
That
a
was
beautiful sight. Hey,
Oh my
anyone
God,
heading
now
to
I-
the main street, you might want to avoid
Here.
me.
Nar,
Oh,
what
no.
are you
I'm in the
doing?
middle of
Nar,
I'm
why
watching
you?
the sunrise.
Okay.
Are you sure you're just gonna stay there on your side?
No, I'm not. I am no longer watching the sunrise. It has
He's coming to
risen.
fuck you up. He's gonna go full speed into you.
Yes, please do.
Don't.
Yes.
Did anyone see that?
I couldn't.
I'm
I
at
couldn't
the
either.
spawn area.
Uh-oh.
I'm at the spawn area, and I'm coming
no.
for you. Oh, never mind. I
No,
hit
you're
the
not.
Oh.
You just wait. Are we setting faster lap times in these than we were in the?
Yeah, we are.
Nice.
Because the GTA 6 on the straight couldn't even do 120, at least from what I saw.
Yeah, same. Here.
Actually, no,
Just
make
go
that
200.
almost 140, because I
Just
just
go
did
200.
140.
Oh, I'm flipping.
I didn't hit the same tree, but I hit another tree. Sick.
You know what this reminds me of?
What?
Robo, who was the person who liked hitting trees?
Oh god. Oh god, no, stop!
And
I'm in the
racing?
ocean! I'm in the ocean!
Wait,
He
Joe?
is in the ocean.
I don't know who.
I'm no longer in the ocean.
Oh fuck.
I see Robo.
Fuck off. Fuck
Robo,
off.
watch out! Watch out, Robo!
No, you watch out for me.
I did a front flip.
Oh my god, that was so bad.
Robo, did you
Oh,
see me
no.
do a front flip?
No, oh!
Oh, I saw Robo died. Robo flipped.
Wait,
Robo's
how did
rolled.
Robo died.
He did everything.
I am going
What happened to
I am
Robo?
going to commit the Robo Mesa and cut the corner.
Of course,
We're
Robo's
gonna-
cutting.
Be talking.
Alright, let's see what happens if I do this.
I did it. You'll be fine. Wait, you should be fine.
I just got through the entire
I
transit
got it,
section.
I got it, I got it. No
Yeah, you
problem.
don't flip. It's easy.
No, I'm good.
Nope, we just
How
cut.
how much time left for
We're practically done, but let's just keep on going.
final lap? Whoever's in first.
What do you mean final lap? I'm already
Final
done.
lap. That's 1 lap ago. Okay, you're done.
I'm like negative 1 lap because I'm like so far ahead.
Not that far ahead actually. We're not.
Oh, wait, no, I haven't left
Robo,
guys
you
yet.
cut
You've
so
got
much.
-1 laps left.
Yeah, I do cut a lot. I still want to be.
Alright, well I crossed the line anyways.
So should we black flag Robo?
Yep, black flag Robo.
Black
Correct.
flag Robo.
Or black flagging Robo?
I win.
Ooh. No, I win.
Ah!
Oh
Ooh,
god.
not true. Wait,
I'm
guys,
glad I
that's
kept
the
myself on the
starting line.
inside.
Are you guys at the starting line?
Now we're doing another lap.
Yeah, we're doing another one.
Wait, can someone go to the starting line?
I'm gonna go
Oh,
back.
wait, you can slam into me?
No, I'm not gonna slam into you.
I don't know how I did
I'm
that.
not gonna pound you hard with my big hard truck.
Oh, big
Robo would like that, so that's fine.
He would. He
Big
would
hard
like
truck.
that.
Alright, here I come.
Wait, sit out of the way. Wait, sit past the bridge. On the.
Here I
Hold on.
come.
Wait, who's going backwards? What just happened?
The tires.
I just saw Robo Boost going the wrong way and someone on the map going the right way.
Oh. I will
Wait,
finish
can
this
you guys
lap.
stay on the bridge once you get there?
I need to finish this
Starting
lap.
bridge. Okay.
The fuck is Robo? Oh my god.
I will
Robozone.
finish this lap. I will finish this lap.
Are you gonna do a drift? Do a drift. Yeah.
I just did a drift.
Robo? Why? I drag Robo.
I'm done.
Wait, can you guys sit on the bridge?
Yeah.
Robo, tell me when you're on the bridge so I don't run into you.
I'm done. I've finished. My damn tire broke.
Wait,
I have
Robo, go to the
one
bridge.
broken
and
tire
watch.
and I still finished.
Okay.
Wait, Robo, actually get in my truck. Robo, get in my truck.
Okay. Wait, before you do.
Who's coming this way?
Uh-oh.
Me.